In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in Google Sheets by updating your locale. This is the quickest and most reliable way to make dates display the way you expect, whether that's month, day, month, year, or another regional style. First, open the Google Sheets document where you want the date format to change. You'll need editing access to the file to adjust settings. Once your sheet is open, look up to the top toolbar and click on the File menu. From that drop-down, choose Settings. This opens a dialog box where you can control how the spreadsheet interprets and displays things like dates, times, and currency. Inside the Settings dialog, make sure you're on the General tab. Here, find the Locale section. The locale is what tells Google Sheets which regional conventions to follow. Click the drop-down and pick the locale that matches how you want dates to appear. For example, United States will display dates as month, day, year, while United Kingdom will display day, month, year. Other locales set different defaults, and they also influence time formats and currency symbols. After selecting your desired locale, click Save Settings. Google Sheets will apply the change to this document. In many cases, you'll see date formats update immediately to match the default for the locale you chose. If you don't see the change right away, give the sheet a moment or refresh the Browser tab to prompt a visual update. A quick note about what this setting does. Changing the locale affects how Sheets interprets and formats dates and other regional data for this specific file. It won't alter your account-wide preferences or other spreadsheets. Also, the change applies best to cells that Sheets recognizes as real dates. If a date was typed as plain text, it may not automatically adopt the new format. In that case, you might need to re-enter it as a date, or apply a date format after confirming the value is recognized as a date, not text. If you collaborate with others, remember that the display follows the spreadsheet's locale, not each person's device settings. That means everyone viewing this document will see the same date style, which is useful for avoiding confusion. That's all there is to it. Open your Google Sheet, go to File, choose Settings, select your locale in the General tab, and save. Your dates will follow the default format for the region you selected, keeping your data clear, consistent, and easy to read.